श्रीमन्महाभारतमु 163rd day. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaः. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. श्रीमन्महाभारतमु आदिपर्वमु 130th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Dronacharya talking to Bhishma and saying like this, O Bhishma, one of those days when my son was so young, he was crying for cow milk. I searched for cow. I also searched if anybody could donate a cow in a righteous way to me, but I could not get it. When I came back, some of the rich children were making fun of my son Aswathama by giving water which is mixed with flour. They are saying that Aswathama, this is cow milk, come on, drink it. Then my Aswathama drank it, and he was so happy, and he was happily sharing that news with me that, my dear father, I drank cow milk, like that. So after seeing that, my mind got so much worried, and I was totally broke into pieces. In the world also, everybody was showing fingers at me and saying that his son drank the water which is mixed with flour and felt that it is cow milk. Like that, entire world was showing their fingers at me. O Bhishma, in the childhood, when I don't have any wealth, all people left me, gave up on me. Now the same poverty I am going through. But Paropasevam papishtam nachakuryam dhanepsaya. I do not want to do any sinful activities to earn money. That is why what I felt is, finally I came to a conclusion that along with my wife and son, I remembered my childhood friend Drupada. I also came to know that Drupada became king. Then I felt that my work is going to be done with this. I remembered my childhood friend Drupada, what kind of words that he gave to me in the childhood. So with all kind of positive thinking, I went to Drupada and told him that, Drupada, I am your childhood friend. Do you recognize me? Then he insulted me so much. Bhishma, you know what he said? Finally he said, O Brahmana, ekarattrantu te Brahman, kamam dasyami bhojanam. If you want, I can give you one night food. You can eat it. Like that he insulted me. Then immediately I left from there with my wife and son. I also made a promise that I would retaliate upon Drupada. Bhishma, I want to retaliate upon Drupada. I want to make my promise come true through my disciples who are well disciplined. So that is why I came to you. Bhishma, now tell me what you want me to do. Like that, Dronacharya talking to Bhishma Pitamaha. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।